the beautiful girl that I met made in Japan. The beauty of her face was beyond my wildest dreams.
Today I would like to tell about Kajuangin Tourism Park, one of the tourist attraction in Palawan City, South Sulawesi. The journey begins as you enter the parking area of Kajuangin Tourist Attraction. Visitors are welcomed by a cool and refreshing. From here, the beauty of nature begins to unfold, accompanied by the fresh mountain air that inspires every visitor to explore the tourist destination. Kajuangin has server facility, toilet, and gazebo. The atmosphere is peaceful and cool, fresh. Kajuangin Tourist Attraction is very spacious and offers many beautiful photo spots for visitors to enjoy and capture memorable moments. In my opinion, Kajuangin Tourism Park is beautiful, clean, and comfortable place. I recommended everyone to visit park when they come Palopo. Thank you everyone.